Hello my crypto friends, this is your boy DEFI again, and I just want to tell you guys that the best time to enter the auction lobby is now. So for those of you who have been wanting to buy DSP tokens to get more of that with very little Tron, so this is your time guys. And the reason why I'm saying that is that if you look at the current dividend pool here, today we only have 4 hours till the clock goes to 0 or till we enter the new day, and the dividend pool has only managed to collect only 3.180 million Tron. So we know that when few people are buying into the contract, we shall get more of the DSP tokens per Tron. So with that said, I went into the auction lobby a few minutes ago and I bought DSP worth 20,000 Tron. So that has given me 15,000 DSP tokens, but I know this is going to go down as more people are buying into the contract. So you guys, those of you who want to buy cheaply, or those of you who want to recover from the losses that you incurred when you unstaked your stakes, so this is the right time to go into the auction lobby and buy as much tokens as you can. I don't think this figure is going to reach 10 million today. That I'm not sure, because if we have only 4 hours till the clock goes to 0 and we have 3 million here, so I don't think in 4 hours we are going to get 7 million into the contract. So guys, share this and remember to use someone's link so that you can get 5% extra DSP tokens added onto your purchase. So you can use my link. This is my link. I'm going to leave it in the description of the video. Feel free to use it so that you can get the 5% extra tokens off your purchase. So guys, that's it. I had 4 in this short video. Just go and share this video with your team members.